Alright, so this is my bike check. Going, I got ODI, long neck grips, Odyssey par ends, FBM big 8 bars, Odyssey gyro, Odyssey upper and lower cables, stock black label stem, Redline G6 forks, and black label hub and just black label rim sealed. And then Colt Doomsday peg with G-Sport gland. And then I have my premium death trap frame. And then I have just a stock C-post, Shadow Conspiracy Crow pivotal seat, Shadow Crank and Bone sprocket 32, Redline device cranks, Odyssey Twisteds, Odyssey Evo 2s, and Animal rim, premium Stinger hub, I believe. Sounds pretty good. And then I have, I got the Mutiny hub guard, Colt Doomsday peg, and then I have Fly 2.25 front and back tires, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. There's my bike.